Baba Ramdev, the yoga guru, who claimed to have found the cure or the medicine to cure COVID-19, seems to have run into rough weather, where the Ayush Ministry now is seeking details. The composition of the details of the COVID drug have been sought from Patanjali. The Ayush Ministry says details of the study are not known to the ministry. And they say that ads must be stopped till this issue is properly examined. Now, Patanjali Ayurved Limited has been asked to provide at the earliest details of the name and the composition of the medicines being claimed for COVID treatment, the site, the hospitals where the research study was conducted, for the protocol, sample size, institutional ethics committee clearance, CTRI registration, results data. All of these things, the government says, we are not really aware whether all these steps were cleared or not. Sunil Prabhu now joins us with all the latest. Sunil, that was one big claim that was made by Yoga Guru Ramdev, and seems to be trending because obviously any talk of medication available for COVID-19 will immediately get the attention of the people. But what really is the government saying?
Well, Sanket, you raise a good point, because a lot of aspirations of people have been raised with those claims, and I think the government wants to set the record straight. Even though Mr. Baba Ramdev has been a great supporter of the Narendra Modi government, it's in that backdrop that they've sought clarifications, asked them to stop ads. They've even asked the Uttarakhand government, to the state licensing authority, to investigate and look at various issues, because we must not play with people's health. When you make such claims, it has to be verified, it has to be cross-checked, it has to be looked at in all aspects and in its entirety. It has to be, as many would say, when you write an article, peer-reviewed. In the same way, there has to be exemplary proof to show that there is a cure for COVID-19 cases, as has been reported by the Patanjali group. So it's in that backdrop that they've asked them to withhold any advertisements, let them do some cross-checking, let them verify, and only then will they be given the go-ahead. So we'll have to wait and watch and see how they comply with this. But nevertheless, the government at least stepping in, playing no favorites in this case, and wanting to make it clear that there has to be certain yardsticks, certain measures that can ensure that there is actually a cure for COVID-19.
Sunil, do you think that this could have a lot to do with the claim that has been made by Baba Ramdev? Because, I can see his interview where he seems to claim that Coronil, which seems to be the medicine, he says that the key constituents are Ashwagandha, Giloy, Tulsi. Now, these are things that are already recommended by the Ayush Ministry, that you drink these.
That's right. So these are things that he's proposing, as the ministry has issued a clarification and a press release in this regard, saying they haven't been informed, they haven't been told, neither has it been shared with. These are the nodal agencies for any pharmaceutical or any kind of breakthrough in terms of Ayurvedic interventions that have been done, and they should be notified. Nothing has been said so far, so that is why they've taken suo moto cognizance of this and taken notice about the fact about these claims, and have asked them to check, and has asked Baba Ramdev and his company to stop these advertisements or claims that are being made until it is cross-checked and verified to be true.